In this video, I will show you how you can fix if Touch ID is not working on your iPad Air. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just perform a force restart on your iPad. Now, to do that, just grab your iPad. At the top of your iPad, you will find the volume buttons. Now, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Just keep pressing and holding the side button. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now, in most cases, this issue appears because of a minor software glitch. Now, after the force restart, this issue will most likely be fixed. Now, after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just use a soft cloth and clean the fingerprint area. Now, as you can see on newer iPad Air models, the fingerprint is placed on the side button. Just clean the side button using a soft cloth, then check if the fingerprint is working or not. Now, if the fingerprint is still not working, then just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode if you have set one, and from here under the fingerprint section, make sure you enroll your fingerprint. Just tap on Add a fingerprint and add your fingerprint. But if you have already enrolled your fingerprint, just tap on your fingerprint and select Delete Fingerprint. After you delete all your fingerprints, then just tap on Add a fingerprint and re-add your fingerprint again. Now just tap on the fingerprint sensor which is placed on the side button and release your finger once the animation continues. Just like that. Now just continue registering your fingerprint. And once you have registered your fingerprint, then just tap on Continue, and you will add your fingerprint to your iPad. Now, after you've done that, if you have not set a lock screen passcode, it will ask you to set a lock screen passcode. And after you've done that, then just go to your home screen, then just go to the lock screen and check if the fingerprint sensor is working or not. But if the fingerprint sensor is still not working, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through software update. After that, just go back to the General settings, and under General, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if the Touch ID is not working on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.